check the gates on those.
Ropes and hardware secure.
Harness locked. I'm good to go. Give it everything you've got.
Holding strong. It's safe. Solid.
Line is stable. Look at this. The debris looks fresh.
Someone was definitely here. Maybe recently.
Holding tension. It's clearing the platform edge.
This configuration gives us ample space for the equipment. This one.
And the access points align perfectly with the schematics. Completely corroded. It won't take the weight. Ooh, look at the corrosion right here.
The blades are holding firm though. It's stable enough to move.
Okay, the full length is exactly 42 feet. That gives us plenty of space to work with for the seating layout. If we move this wall here, the kitchen area opens up more.
Okay, I see what you mean. Let me redraw that section of the bath.
If we move this bulkhead forward, we gain space here. Yeah.
That works. We can fit the storage unit along this wall then.
Agreed. The whole section feels secure. Here's the next panel.
Thanks. Okay, that one's secure. Pass me the next panel.
Here you go.
It's amazing what a difference the wood makes. All right, give it a shake. Solid, looks good. All right, push it through. Is that screw tight yet? No.
This one is ready for screws.
Still. The finish on this batch is really smooth.
Yeah, it looks great. Ready for the next one. We finally did it. What a spot. Yeah.
Look down there. You can see the rapids perfectly now. Line it up. Okay, align your side with the bracket.
Almost there.
And secure. That should do it. What do you think?
It looks incredible. The ambient illumination is perfect.
Oh, wow. That looks amazing.
Right. Yeah, the lighting really brings it together. Almost there. Hold it steady.
Okay, I've got the hinges lined up for the next one.
Stove works perfectly. Yeah.
And the water pressure is great. Looks like we're all set.
Station account and pan.
Watch the corner right there.
I see it.
I see it. Keep coming back slowly. How far?
Right there. Perfect. Okay, the bubble is centered.
Well, there it is. The essential bathroom setup is complete.
It's perfect. I'm so happy with how this turned out. That should do it. Give it a push.
I like that.
Me too. It fits perfectly.
I still can't believe we finished this place.
It feels so warm and peaceful, doesn't it? I still can't get over this view.
This is exactly what I needed tonight.
Me too.
Best decision we ever made.